Have you ever wanted to add audio directly into your Google Docs but didn't know how? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to embed audio from Google Drive into your Google Docs, step by step. First, make sure your audio file is uploaded to Google Drive. Once it's there, right-click the file and select Get Link. Make sure the link access is set to anyone with the link can view, so it's accessible when you share your document. Next, open your Google Docs document where you want the audio. Since Google Docs doesn't natively support audio embedding, we'll use a simple workaround Go to insert, then choose Drawing and select Plus New. In the drawing window, click the shape icon and create a button or any shape you like. Once your shape is ready, click Insert Link at the top and paste the Google Drive audio link you copied earlier. Click Save and Close and your shape will appear in the document. Now, anyone who clicks on the shape will be redirected to your audio file in Google Drive, making it playable instantly. It's simple, clean, and works perfectly for presentations, assignments, or collaborative projects. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Google Docs in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, try it out yourself and see how it transforms your documents.